Welcome to this video on Adobe Dimension. We're going to be looking at how to add text to Adobe Dimension. So we're going to go to Basic Shapes here and we're going to click on it. And that's going to add the text to the screen. Now if we want to center the text on the stage, press the F key and it gets centered on the stage. If we go to the right hand side here in the Properties panel, you're going to see we can change our text. So what we're going to do is we're going to just change the text. So we're going to put the word fire. And we're going to change the font to ITC font, Snap ITC. We're going to make the text a little bit bigger, do a little bit more in the spacing, and we're going to extrude the text to around 5 centimeters. Now we're going to look at the bevel options as well. We can repeat the bevel several times. You can actually change the spacing of the bevel as well. You also got these options as well. One of the ones I was actually trying was the square outline. So now what we can do is we can actually change the material. So you can see, if we look at the side, we click on the side of the text here, you can see we can change the base color. We can change that like, maybe that seems like a good color, right? And we can just click here to get out of it. Now in the options here, in this category here, you can see in the roughness section here, you can see we've got the roughness, which is how shiny the surface is. So if you want it to be very, very shiny, the text, you put it at 0. If you press numbers 1, 2, and 3, you'll be able to move around. So you do with 1 you can do this, with 2 you can sort of do this, and with 3 you can go like that. You can also make it a bit more glowy. Okay, so if we wanted to change the base color for the face of the text here, we could also do that here. And when you click here, you'll notice at the bottom, this is like recently used colors. So you can put the face of the text in there like that. So if you wanted to do the bevel or the back, we'll do the back to show you this one. You can see the back is obviously still uncolored. So what we can do is we can click the back, and then we're going to take this button here, the sampler tool, and we'll just sample this. And you'll see that actually changed the back. You can see also that the roughness and all those figures change then, right? Similarly, if we wanted to do the bevel as well, you simply take the sampler tool again and fill in the bevel. You can also click on the environment here. We could change that. Change that to different colors here. Let's try that one. If we wanted to see it in a little bit more detail, you can also click this button here, and this does ray tracing on it. And it's a bit more intensive, but you can really see like all the different shapes and the glossiness of it. Another thing you could do as well here, let's do maybe this one, is you can actually do something on the ground plane. And that is this button called Reflection Opacity. So if I try changing this to 100, let's take a look. And you see it's actually going to reflect the text in the ground plane. And if you change the roughness here, what that will do is it will scatter the reflection. So you're going to get like a less defined reflection there. So yeah, there's lots of interesting ways that you could potentially change all the different features here. But yeah, that will do for now, so thanks for watching.